Experiencing problems with the press and hold gesture on your AirPods Pro 3 for noise control or Siri? First, ensure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.5 or later, and your AirPods Pro 3 have firmware version 7B503. Next, clean your AirPods to remove any earwax or debris that may be obstructing the sensors. If cleaning doesn't work, unpair your AirPods by forgetting the device in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Then, reset your AirPods by holding the setup button on the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. Finally, repair the AirPods to your device and test the press and hold gesture again. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider this user-reported fix. Soak AirPods in isopropyl alcohol for 5 minutes to clean hidden sensors. However, be aware that Apple warns this voids the warranty if misused. If issues persist, it could indicate a hardware defect, especially in early 2024 models. Contact Apple support for diagnostics, especially if your AirPods are still under warranty. Statistics show a significant percentage of noise control issues stem from outdated iOS, so ensure you have updated before contacting support. While third-party apps exist to tweak gestures, Apple does not officially endorse them. For persistent problems, seeking a replacement might be necessary. Future AirPods models are expected to include AI-driven adaptive gestures and sensor redundancies to minimize these issues.